my god guys, it is Christmas Eve. I'm getting ready for a very important night. It's gonna be a good one.
It's Christmas again!
Welcome to the Christmas party! We got you! So I am Mars sitting for Christmas because everybody's on leave, and I usually like to stay up on Christmas Eve. I've actually been doing it since I was a kid, and I used to open my presents at 12 in the night, and I thought today is no different. I'm older, wiser, and I still buy myself presents. So I thought, why not celebrate? There's a new episode of Bad Sisters that just came out today, so yeah, I got my Rivella, my Swiss cheese, all my cold cuts, and my marzipan. So let's go.
Grace? Grace, are you okay, honey? Has something happened?
Okay, whoever wrote this episode, it's insane. I'm halfway through, finished my first course, time for the second course. It's papita par ida, or like potato ke upar anda. That's what we call it, papita par ida. Parsi said to put everything par ida. I've done a video, actually I'm going to link it here, which is wafer par ida. If you haven't watched it, Scary Chef Sherry made some wafer par ida, but I didn't make this today. It was already made and it was in the microwave for me. Just going to eat this, finish my episode, and then it's going to be midnight. The face tracking on my vlog camera is just ridiculous. I thoroughly enjoy this. Merry Christmas guys, it's midnight. So I got myself two things for Christmas this year. I'll show you one tomorrow because I'll probably wear it and show you. The first item that I have to show you guys is this. Now, for those of you that have been following me for a while, you know I'm a big Swiss knife fan, and obviously I went to Switzerland, so I had to get a Swiss knife. But this is special. I have a whole collection actually of Swiss knives. What's different about this one? A, it's orange. B, it's got my name on it. How cool is that? So in Zurich at the Victorinox store, you have the option to do this, and I got the nice tiny one which I can attach as a bag charm onto my bag, and I didn't open it until Christmas because I bought it for Christmas. So this is Christmas present number one. Okay, so I'm gonna quickly do my skincare, change into my jammies, and not sleep. I'm just gonna watch some more like stuff online because it's Christmas and we can't sleep at midnight. But we're gonna try something new today, okay? So we're trying this, the Pond's Youthful Miracle Renew and Repair Serum. I have actually been wanting to start using retinol for a while, and there's actually a big backstory with this one because it's like a lot of thought has gone into this, okay? So I wanted to start using retinol a couple of years ago, but I don't know why. I was nervous, or I was just like unsure, because with retinol it's not something you take lightly. You like, once you start using it, there's a process to it, and there are great benefits, but you have to obviously use it in a certain way and be regular with it and stuff. And I was always like, you know, this person who skips my skincare, skip sunscreen, all of those things. So I kept pushing it and saying maybe later, maybe later, maybe later. And actually this year on my birthday, I thought about it and I was like, Sherry, you're 38 now. It's time to get onto the retinol train. And I was like, you know, I'll do it. But life has just been insane. The last few months I've been super busy, and I'm super grateful for that. It's been amazing with the Korea trip, my shoe launch. If you haven't bought my shoes, buy my shoes. My Mary Jane collection has launched, and then we had the last trip. So it's just been like crazy. And I kind of, you know, from July I was pushing this off and saying I'll do it eventually when I have like proper time to focus on my skin and stuff. And ever since Korea, I actually started being regular with my sunscreen, which is something I've never done in like my life, but I've been regular since October. So I thought that's pretty amazing. And then when Pons reached out, I was like, okay, this is a sign and this is the nudge I need to kind of start. So of course with retinol you do a patch test first. I did the patch test before I left for Switzerland, like on my arm, and everything was fine. And then I was like, Sherry, why are you overthinking this? You're just like thinking way into this. So today on Christmas, we're doing this together, okay? This is my first retinol application. Yeah, we're doing it, okay? I think I've spoken too much. I'm just gonna do it. Gonna take a few drops. It says take 2 to 3 drops, so we're gonna do that. And here we go, guys. This is my first retinol application and it's happening with you. I don't know why I built this up in my head so much. It is Serum. Why I actually wanted to do this now, let me tell you that there's certain benefits with retinol, obviously. As you start aging, your skin loses collagen. And I felt like, you know, there was a lot of questions in my head with retinol where people were like, oh, it burns, it this, it that. But I really didn't feel anything on my arm when I used it. And I'm not feeling anything on my face right now either. Like, I'm not feeling any excessive burning or actually any burning at all, honestly. And I'm just going to give it a few seconds before I move on to applying some moisturizer, because you should put moisturizer after that. So yeah, as I said, your skin loses collagen as you age. That kind of, you know, reduces the skin elasticity, which is why you get a lot of lines, wrinkles, all of that. Okay, so how does this help? This again is the Pond's Youthful Miracle Renew and Repair Serum, and it has 3% Hexyl retinol complex to boost 2x collagen. So whatever collagen you've lost, this helps kind of restore that, restores the skin's balance. And while I do that, I'm just going to put on some of the night cream as well. You must moisturize with retinol. You do not want to not moisturize. And you have to use sunscreen, okay? That's why I also thought this was the perfect time to do this, because I've been so regular with my sunscreen that I was like, okay, this is the perfect time. And I can't believe it's taken me this long to do this. Like, don't be me, because I feel really stupid that I've waited this long and hyped this up so much in my head when it is literally a serum and a cream. And yeah, so I'm gonna start with using this twice a week. Then I'm gonna go to alternate days, and then eventually go to every day. So with retinol, you want to build like how your skin works with it, and, you know, kind of build on it and not just suddenly use it every day like any other moisturizer or serum. So yeah, I will keep you guys updated. Now I'm going to change into my jammies and watch something, and I will see you tomorrow. Good night.
Good morning, Merry Christmas. It's 10 a.m. and I'm still very jet lagged. I just can't sleep early. I slept, I think, at 3:30 last night finally. And yeah. Oh, good morning.
Should we go down? Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. Definitely not skipping sunscreen today. Skin actually feels great, doesn't feel sensitive or anything. And that's a really good sign. You can see it's looking good. It's also freezing. I'm wearing my sweatshirt and I didn't use the fan last night. Yeah, I know the people with proper winter are laughing at us, but in Mumbai this is winter and we love it. Right now the fridge is stocked with lots of cheese, lots of chocolate. So we're gonna go for the milk.
Merry Christmas!
So would you like some Christmas treats before you open your Christmas present? Come on, let's give you some Cheetos. Cheetos for Sweetos! Come. I am ready to cry. I need a Christmas miracle. So I think my new DJI Pocket 3 has just broken. So I was trying to set up a shot here to shoot my morning tea and emails, and then I accidentally thought it was on the tripod, but it wasn't, and it fell over, and now it's just stuck. It doesn't turn. I tried everything. I've been online for the last 40 minutes resetting it, and I think the gimbal is broken. Okay, it is what it is. This guy is gonna have to go to the service center because it's not working and it's Christmas, but I have a lot to do. As you can see, this room is a full-on mess. Since I got back, I have done nothing. So I've moved on back to my old vlog camera, which I still have, and I'm gonna drown myself in sweets. I just ordered some marzipan and some kalkals and a babka because I just broke my camera, guys. So sympathize with me. And we're gonna drink more Rivella. Okay. So this is from Switzerland, by the way. I bought these. I bought like 6 of them back, the PET bottles. It's like a milk extract drink, which is really famous there, and it's really yum. So yeah, Rivella, marzipan, kalkas, babka, and whatever else I can find today. Let's get on with it. Okay, quick cleaning update. This side of the living room looks fantastic. I've done a great job of like cleaning. You don't want to see beyond the sofa because that's where all the mess is there. But for now, we're just going to ignore it because this is looking pretty good, right? And my lunch is here. Ordered some Korean because I just felt like I was craving some spice and it's chaotic. The traffic is insane already. But I'm gonna eat my lunch. It's about 4 almost. Yeah. Quickly gonna eat my lunch. Then I gotta walk Mars, pick up my babka, and dig into all my Christmas sweets. Lunch scenes. Okay, we've got some kimbap and some dak kalbi, stir-fried chicken. These are my 2 favorites.
I was just meaning that field. I get it. 6 silver singles are about to go on a series of blind dates.
Nothing to see here. Just 2 people waiting for their babka. Merry Christmas, thank you. Welcome. Okay, I'm back, got my babka, but we're not sitting to eat just yet. You know, I just had a Korean meal, and you're not gonna believe who just messaged me saying they're in Mahood. Are you ready?
God, I was like, okay, this is
Look who's here! My Korean band.
I came all the way to collect this.
This is the best boy, Coco. If you see him around Kolaba, give him lots of scratches because he's a good Bobby. You had your khana or not yet? It is caffeine o'clock. Okay guys, this is the yummiest babka. This is amazing. Okay, now my day is going well. Second Christmas gift, my new on running shoes. Okay, I said I would probably use these and I thought I'd go for a run, but it's absolutely crazy and chaotic. When I went down earlier, there's no place to even walk, so a Christmas run is not happening. But how beautiful are these? Madhu, you ready for a Christmas present? Ashish, Ishmael, ready? Go.
It's Christmas again!
Dinner time! Okay peeps, my dinner is getting heated in the microwave. It's just some leftover food from yesterday because I really thought I would cook today, but with everything that happened with the camera and cleaning and whatever, nothing has happened. And I just spent the last 2 hours editing a reel. So this is my dinner, which is quite amazing. Actually, if you see it, you'll be quite amazed. But also in other news, bought my mummy a really cool Nespresso machine for her birthday. Her birthday was on November 7th, so I wanted to get her something special. She loves coffee, so I got this from Zurich. Actually, they have this store called Inter Discount where it's pretty cheap, much cheaper than here. And let me show you my dinner. Actually, it's not hot enough. Needs to go back in. 30 more seconds. How beautiful is that? So we've got some kid ghost, which is mutton in a kaju gravy, some boiled eggs with pepper, some aloo sabzi, and obviously we need to add kanda. That is my dinner. And the way she looked was way beyond compare. So how could I dance with another? Watching Beatles 64 on Hotstar. If you're a Beatles fan, watch this. It's these two guys who are filming the Beatles, and it's actual videos of their New York trip and stuff, and it's quite insane. Which mama's good boy? You? Are you mama's goodie boy? What? Bolo. What do you want? What? I shouldn't watch my show. Shouldn't watch anything. Only give you scratches and kisses. Hmm? Hmm? Dessert is here. Got my babka and my marzipan. I'm wide awake. See, this is what I mean that I can't sleep before 2 or 3 because my whole system is out of whack, and it's 12 o'clock right now and it feels like it's 9 to me. Like, that's how crazy it is. But yeah, I think this is where the vlog ends. It's a bit bittersweet because I started on another camera and I'm ending on another camera, and that was the worst part of my day. But I think we managed to turn it around, and it's Christmas, so it's okay. It happens. Things happen. I bought myself 2 Christmas presents, so it's okay. That's what I'm telling myself at least. Merry Christmas, guys. Hope you enjoyed the vlog. If you did, give it a thumbs up and comment below with whatever you want to comment. It's Christmas. Say something nice, okay? See you guys. Bye.